Okay, so we're here at Naidex 2013 on the very impressive Stannah stand in the middle of the show, and we're just going to go now through some of the actual individual products sold by Stannah, and we've got a really interesting sort of concept here, and we're going to ask Roger from Stannah to take us through this lift. So this is the saddler lift.
This is the new saddler lift. Yeah, it's been designed to solve a few problems we've had with some stair lifts, some staircases that we couldn't fit stair lifts on. The principle behind this lift is that we can fit a stair lift with the person on it up a very narrow staircase. So in effect, you can get a chap who's about 6'6", who can go up a very narrow staircase, which before we wouldn't be able to actually achieve.
Because I seem to remember it was certainly in the older houses there was kind of a 21-inch problem or something. Anything under a certain space, it was very difficult to fit a standard stair lift. So this product sort of gets around that.
So with this stair lift, it gives us a solution, because it puts the person into a perched position, but the weight is actually going through the seats, so there's no strain going through the thighs and through the knees. And it's called saddler because of the saddle is like a bike saddle, I presume. Yeah, it's been designed. There's many types of saddle seats. You know, we looked at saddles that you put on horses and all sorts of different designs, and you know, the guys in the factory came up with this saddle seat. Yeah.
Okay. And if you just demonstrate how the product works, how would a user sort of typically? Okay,
so to operate the lift, there's a linkage between the armrest and the footplate.
Yes.
So the person would, you know, put both armrests down. Now, besides that, you've got safety edges all the way around the carriage and the footplate. So all the way around the carriage, all the way around the footplate. You know, so it's completely safe. You know, while the person's
cat or something.
Well, exactly, yeah. And then I'll get on the unit
for you.
So you can see there now. I'm in a perched position.
Yes.
Okay. So we put the seatbelt on. It's a very easy to use seatbelt. So it's a one-handed operation there. There's an isolator actually on that seatbelt.
Right. Okay.
So the stair lift won't travel without that in place.
Fantastic.
Okay. So then the control is simply by knocking this lever here, this rocker switch, and we'll then travel up the staircase. So you can see, very safe, very easy to operate.
And how much load have you got on your legs there? Is the weight mainly taken? Is it spread right down the body?
It will vary from person to person, but in effect, you know, I could sit here quite comfortably with my feet in the air.
Okay. Thank you. Brilliant. Okay. That's great, Roger. Thanks very much for that. We're now going to look at some other innovative products that we've seen from Stannah this year.